Hey, this is Main Art. Today I am gonna try to see if we can almost get a cyborg type creature here. Just gonna start with a interesting shape, see if we can kind of work in some different feel. All right, so we got this point. I'm gonna just get in here, see what, work in some different color from the start, and then see what we can do. So with the pastel, I've just done a very light face. Kind of looks weird, but for now, that'll be our starting point, and then we'll get in and let's start adding some details, some different things going on here. Layers. See if we can get different. If we can add some color. And then really let the drawing kind of take its own shape. And back in this entire section, I'm going to just start adding what might be considered colorations, different wiring kind of feel. Just letting some shapes take course. Ultimately, let's see what we can get. So almost like different compartments here. See if I can get that effect. This is just really using some various colors and then just creating some different layers right now that we can use. Keeping go darker, that second charcoal. Okay, so definitely starting to give us this weird looking eye here. And we can even come up with different textures here. Add some shape to that. Okay, now I'm just gonna get back into on our edges here. See if we can come through on this side. Kind of shape that nose on that side. All right, so definitely starting to get the creepier texture to this thing to see what we can do from here. Just gonna use that pastel to really get some dimension. And get back in with more of that wiring feel. Thank you. This is Main Art.